The National Insurance Commission has resolved to increase insurance coverage to 60% by 2028. According to the Acting Commissioner, Michael Andor, tailored products targeted at the informal economy are being developed to serve the needs of the informal sector. He has been speaking at the 2023 International Conference on Inclusive Insurance, co-hosted by the National Insurance Commission and its local partners.
The 19th International Conference on Inclusive Insurance is a gathering of insurance experts from over 50 countries across the globe. The goal is to discuss and identify ways of accelerating the growth and economic viability in inclusive insurance for emerging markets. With insurance coverage hovering around 40%, efforts are being made through tailored insurance products to the informal economy to expand coverage to 60% by 2028. Michael Andor is the Acting Commissioner of National Insurance Commission.
In the next 5 years, we are expecting to take this to about 60%. And this is the percentage of the population that is covered by insurance. We sometimes get obsessed with insurance penetration, and I understand that is how much money insurance is making. This is how many people is insurance protecting. And I think lives are also important. So we've been focusing at the individual personal levels with inclusive insurance for some time. Our current phase of inclusive insurance, we are looking at micro and small enterprises, micro and small businesses, the carpenters, the masons. They are the biggest employer in the system. They do run risks. The fact that they don't have insurance now doesn't mean they don't have, they have their own risks. It's just that we haven't addressed those risks. So that's exactly what we are doing now.
Minister of Finance Ken Oforiatta called for the establishment of a standing committee to ensure utmost inclusive insurance.
I charge the chair of the NIC, the president of the association, and the brokers that we really ought to have a standing committee permanently to really delve into the issue of inclusive insurance so that we'll be ahead of the game.
The Vice Chair of NIC Foundation, Dirk Reinhardt, called for the development of the insurance value chain to ensure the needs of consumers are met.
Having insurance is fine. What if the insurance takes 6 months to pay after a disaster? Then people have sold their assets to recover, lost their income, sold their animals, for example. So what I want to say is we really need to dive deep into what does the market need? How do people work? What is their risks? And how can we really serve them so that we make them more resilient, and really insurance contributes to sustainable economic development.
The International Conference on Inclusive Insurance is organized by NIC Foundation and the Micro Insurance Network, with the National Insurance Commission of Ghana, the Ghana Insurance Association, and the Insurance Brokers Association of Ghana as local hosts.